Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing trip.com, so while booking a flight in real time. And if you're wondering whether this platform is reliable, how easy it is to use, and if you find great deals, then you are in the right place. So stick around as I walk you through the entire process from searching for a flight to making the final payment. So here, Trip.com is one of the largest online travel agencies offering flights, hotels, car rentals, and even train tickets in some regions. So it is widely known for competitive pricing and a user-friendly interface. So the platform also provides a customer support in multiple language, making it convenient for travelers worldwide. Now let's see how it works when booking a flight. So here guys, first I will enter my departure city and destination. So for this example, I am going to go here. So as you can see here, you need to be a trip.com member. So here, I think the color is very good. It can attract visitors. So I think one great feature of trip.com guys is the flexible search. If your dates are flexible, you can check a range of prices for different deals, helping you find the cheapest option. They also have filters for direct flights, airlines, and flight duration. So as for me guys, that I usually use these filters to avoid long layovers and select my preferred online. So here, I think I'm gonna first enter my departure city and then that destination. So for this example, I am flying from this Cagayan de Oro to Cebu. So I'm also select my travel dates and then the number of the passengers. So I guess once I hit search guys, the trip.com generates a list of available flights. So the results show important details like the departure time, layovers, baggage allowance, and then the total price. So I think it's a cool feature here is the price trend tool. So it predicts whether ticket prices will go up or down, helping you decide whether to book now or wait. And I find this helpful guys when planning trips in advance. So here guys, after you select your flight guys, you will be taken to the booking page. I think the trip.com also offer add-ons like travel insurance, extra baggage, and airport transfer. And if you need any of these, you can add them before checkout guys. And here, when we say the payment section guys, the trip.com accepts a various payments method including credit, debit cards, PayPal, and even some local payments option depending on your country guys. So one thing I like is their secure payment system. They use here SSL encryption to keep your personal information safe. And also guys, they also offer Trip Coins, which is a rewards program where you earn points for every booking, so which you can redeem for discounts on your future trips. So once payment is completed, you will receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket. So this is usually arrives within minutes guys, but sometimes it may take a little longer depending on the airline guys. So I always recommend guys checking your spam folder if you don't see it right away. And also guys, you can access your booking details anytime through the trip.com app, which is really convenient when traveling guys. So here, and in the customer support and cancellation policy guys, so we can talk about here. So the trip.com has 24/7 customer service guys via live chat, phone, and email. So if you ever need to cancel or schedule a flight, you can check their cancellation policy directly on their booking page or your booking page guys. So I think some tickets are refundable while others may have a cancellation fee. Then always review guys the terms before looking or before booking to avoid surprises. And I think guys, I really find it a great platform for finding affordable tickets guide with an easy booking process. So the interface is simple, the prices are competitive, and the added features like price tracking and trip coins make it even better. So I think if you use this trip.com before, it is very useful. And here, but take note guys that they also have their downside, which is the inconsistency in baggage policies. So some airlines booked through trip.com may not clearly display baggage allowance, leading to unexpected fees at the airport. And additionally guys, changes or cancellations can be complicated, and some users have experienced difficulties in getting refunds or rebooking flights, even when their tickets are supposed to be flexible. So there have also been cases where last-minute changes by airlines were not properly communicated through trip.com, leaving passengers stranded or scrambling to adjust their plans. We all know guys that this can be frustrating, especially for those who rely solely on the platform for updates. So that's the downside guys. And also guys, as you can see here, so however guys, there are a few downsides. So some users have reported issues with customer service response time. So and depending on the airline, so refund process can take a while. Also, while trip.com often has great deals, prices can sometimes fluctuate. So it's always good to compare with other travel sites before booking guys. But overall guys, the interface is simple, the prices are competitive, and the added features like price tracking and the trip coins make it better guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this one. If you've used trip.com before, let me know your experience in the comments. Did you find good deals? How was the customer service? Any issues with refunds or cancellations? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and tutorials. If you're interested in more content like this, you can check out my other travel related videos where I share booking hacks, airline reviews, and destination guides. So I also do a Q&A sessions where I will answer your travel related questions. So feel free to drop a comment below if there is anything you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, have a safe travels.